Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ranit and welcome back to my channel The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to the song City Mar from the movie Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai, starring Salman Khan and Disha Patani in the leading roles. This is actually the official remake of the song by the same name, City Mar, from the very famous blockbuster movie DJ, starring Allu Arjun and Pooja Hegde in the leading roles. I remember reacting to the song and having such a great time. This is amazing. Oh my god, that song is a classic blockbuster, and that is like one of the grooviest songs I've ever heard. And the choreography, the music, Allu Arjun's charisma is just outstanding. And to remake this in this movie, and that too with Salman Khan, it's injustice in itself, first of all. So, yeah, I know that I have to watch this because I would have chosen not to watch this, but I want to see how bad they have done this. So I'm going to do it because, see, no matter what you say, you can never, Salman Khan can never match up to the energy and dance dancing talent of Allu Arjun, hands down. So I'm expecting something from Disha Patani because she's a good dancer. She's actually a good dancer. So let's see. I'm just going in, keeping my fingers crossed. The music is by Devi Sri Prasad. The composer is the same, but the singers are different. Lulia Vantur and Kamal Khan. Of course, Lulia Vantur will be there. It's a Salman Khan movie. See? So I'm going through a very bad day today, and I just hope that this song makes me laugh and happy unintentionally, intentionally. So yeah, I'm expecting that. So here is my reaction in 3, 2, 1, and go. The flexibility, Disha. What was that? Oh my god. What was that? I'm sorry. Let's enjoy the song. What is going on with this song? Still going on. Oh, God. My eyes are burning. Oh, oh God. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God, my eyes are. paintings. Okay. This song gave me more than I was expecting. Unintentionally, it was the funniest song ever. The choreography is like भाड़ में जाए. Choreographer is like भाड़ में जाए choreography. सलमान खान भाई है, दिशा पटानी है. दिशा पटानी को नाचना आता है, लेकिन कौन? किसको फर्क पड़ता है? Who bloody cares? I'm just going to put Salman Khan there, going to incorporate some, like, one of the silliest and cringiest moves I have seen in any song whatsoever. And to destroy a song like this, oh my god, in such a bad way, in such a horrible way, is just, oh my god. But I still enjoyed it. You can see I was like, it's hot so much, like I'm like heating up. At the same time I'm like crying. Everything is just messed up right now, but I had such a gala time watching this. Yes, my mood is definitely lifted, and I was pretty sure that that was going to be the case. Oh my god, it's so bad. It's so bad that it's so good. Like, I'm going to watch this again, like at least 5 to 10 times, and I don't care if the views go up, because this is like the kind of song which will go down in the history of the most like rubbish choreography and, like, oh my god, remake in the history of Bollywood, and what is this? What is this? I tried my best to control myself, but the expressions of Salman Khan is like, oh my god, so bad. I know that they knew very well that this is a very blockbuster song, that they can never remake the authenticity and the amazingness of the original song. Like, they knew that they can never match up to Allu Arjun. So what they did was made it unintentionally funny, but it was borderline cringy. They wanted to make it funny, but it was so cringy that I had to laugh hard. Like, what was that move with the t-shirt on his head? It seems like Bhai has definitely taken Corona seriously, not in real life, but at least in movies at least. So I appreciate that, Bhai. I mean, come on, dude. You have to give him kudos for this. So Disha Patani, I feel so bad for her, because she was trying so hard in this song to impress and so hard to dance. Like, whatever choreography she was giving, she was trying so hard, but she could never match up to the cringiness of Salman Khan. Never, never, ever. I mean, Bhai is awesome. Like, wow. I have to watch this song again, go back. Like, the costumes, I didn't see anything else apart from how bad this choreography in the whole video is. Oh my god. Talk about cringiness. So yeah, definitely that was it. My reaction. I'm ready for all the dislikes and the hates down below, but I don't care. But I had a great time today. Thank you very much. This is definitely needed. Even if it is for like 10 to 12 minutes, it definitely lifted my mood up, because you need something like this. So I guess I now believe that this movie is also needed for us to see, because cringiness and being such a bad movie, it will definitely help us laugh a little, cringe a little, and we need that in our lives right now, because so much is going on, so much negativity is going around. So yeah, Salman Khan definitely bring out something creative. I would definitely agree with that. So that, guys, was my reaction. If you guys enjoyed this, then please put a thumbs up and not leave your thoughts and suggestions. Subscribe to my channel. Help me reach the 20,000 subscriber mark, or like not reach it. Whatever you want, just go do it. I'm going to get so much hate and at the same time so much love, because I know the appreciation is much more than the hate. You guys proved it in my last video reaction of Salman Khan's the trailer. So the likes were way more than the dislikes. So I know there are people who actually enjoy good films, not these cringy shit. So yeah, thank you very much for that. So love you all. See you again. Until then, ciao.